Over the next few moments, I'm going to talk with you about basement finishing. Did you know that adding a finished basement not only greatly increases the usable area of your home, but can raise your home's overall value by up to 15%? That's right. Many buyers are focused on finding homes with finished basements. And even if you aren't selling your home, wouldn't it be great to have that man cave you've always dreamed of, or that workspace, entertainment area, wet bar, or home theater? Luckily, we are here to help. We're proud to be the premier local basement remodeling company. And our team has years of experience building all types of custom basements to meet the needs of our clients. If you'd like more information or to schedule a free, no-obligation basement remodeling consultation, please contact us now. Web Diversity Media will customize this video to match your needs.